The list is here. We can present it to them. They sign. We file it. If that can do, if it can suffice, we are ready to comply with that. But if we are to access them in Luzira, to sign instructions, that is not going to happen. The last thing, Mr. Chairman, he's insisting on PCs being filed with you. We are in a grace period of 3 months. 3 months. Right now, I have a right to practice without a valid and renewed PC. Right now, until 1st March. So we are in January. We have all this grace period to process the practice certificate. I thought as the advisor of this course, shouldn't even have raised this now. That is raising such a matter when he's supposed to be the senior advisor to this General Court Martial.
I know if your grace period is there, you must come with the preceding certificate. That's what we want. Not expired.
You want that one. You want an expired one.
Showing that you are practicing. Yes, the one which shows that you are practicing, but you are waiting to renew.
The only lawyer who has a 2025 PC now is Martha Karua. In Uganda, the whole of Uganda is only Martha Karua right now.
Including the advisor.
We want it.
The advisor, show us yours. Mr. Chairman. And the advisor also show us.
Mr. Chairman.
You see, I am mandated by law.
Mr. Chairman, for the record.
When I want to practice the certificate of the preceding year, show that you are waiting to renew. Why don't you want to bring it?
Mr. Chairman, for the record,
others have filed it. Why did they file and you have not filed it?
I am Moses Kabus, Mr. Chairman, for the record.
Please, if you are not among the three, I would like to hear from
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, from the mouth of Colonel Dr. Besigye,
He has somebody
he has
sitting in for him. Is that allowed? Yes, from his law firm is here.
another one is Katuma. You are free to talk, counsel.
My colleague, Mr. Katuma, Mr. Kambala is not present. He's in this course. He's in this course, that's why. Mr. Chairman, I joined issue with my senior colleague that because the year ends on the 31st, the process of inspecting chambers starts near to the end of the year and also continues up to the end of, up to in January and also February. And the law council can only issue practice certificates after they have inspected chambers. So it is correct that we have a grace period on the 1st of March. So apart from my colleague who has been given special dispensation, today my colleague Mr. Lukwago is correct that all of us, myself inclusive, don't have PCs for 2025. So we are just acting under the grace period. We urge the kindness of the court to accommodate us, that's why we are courts have done, because it is the practice. Otherwise, there will be no
So, counsel, are you ready to proceed with the proceedings?
My colleagues have raised the issue of getting an opportunity to talk to the client. It is correct that when we came in, there was a detailed security arrangement and a delay. We were not able to speak to the clients. It's also correct, Mr. Chairman, that accessing the accused persons of the Zero Active is not easy. So, unless there is an order from this court that their lawyers can access them freely, it might appear impractical to ask for some dispensation so that, because, Mr. Chairman, the strict application of the rule the judge advocate is referring to is not quite practical in the current circumstances. And yet, for the accused persons, they are entitled to representation. So, perhaps, as the prosecution, the judge advocate, and the court can find a way around which is flexible, which will accommodate, so that the accused persons are represented. Because the most important thing is for the accused persons to have representation. So we can ask, because it's within the powers of this court, to make that dispensation, but also to speak to them so that we don't come here and speak on our own before we have had such separation.
Just a procedural matter, Mr. Chairman. In light of the evidence given by the judge advocate and the pronouncements made by the panel, we are at a loss as to the fate of the ruling which has been pending before this honorable court. Because the matter was adjourned, the question that has been put to council is whether it's ready to proceed with it. And severally this matter adjourned for purposes of delivering the ruling. And it's me who made the submissions. And from the list they have read, it would appear I had no evidence. So, Mr. Chairman, would that ruling be still valid? Does it still stand that we wait for a ruling which was which is going to be based on submissions made by an advocate who presumably had no audience before this honorable court? So that is a serious procedural matter, so that if it is put out of the way, the anxiety and anticipation will have been addressed. It's okay.
Sir, the ruling can be delivered. Yes, because he says he wants law, and I'm being misquoted that I am becoming strict with the rules. If you have been practicing in civil courts, they know you. But if you are coming here and you have never been here, we don't know that even last year you are practicing.